Okay, I installed the new cartridge and got some pictures of it while I was doing it, no vids, but tested it out and it works. And you might have to wait for a few minutes till the tubes warm up before the sound comes out, but let's try it here and see. And like I said, we may have to wait. Yeah, the tubes have to warm up a bit here first here. So yeah, give it a few minutes. Those tubes got to warm up. There they go. Now the tubes are warmed up. We got tons of volume there. The baby's back in shape. This is about 70 years old here, maybe 65 to 70 years old here. Got it working. All right, here we go. Let's see if it shifts records. Get the other one on there. Yeah. These are just some old records. Okay.